Today we're going to be looking at the SOUNDCORE Liberty 4 NC Earbuds, and I'm going to give you a demo, unboxing, a review, and we're going to compare them to the Apple earbuds. This is the SOUNDCORE Liberty 4 NC Earbuds. These were rated really high. Supposedly they have like 4 microphones. I wanted to use these for voiceovers when I'm working on my iPad. These are Bluetooth. And this is the charging case, and it's USB-C. So I'll get these charging and then I'll do a comparison with them. Want to take a minute and ask you to please like, subscribe, and share. This really inspires me to make more videos. Thank you. And here are the SOUNDCORE Liberty 4 by Anker. My air conditioner just went off, so you can hear it. There's a vent right up behind me. But these sound really good, I think. Just for a little comparison, these are the Apple EarPods, and the air conditioner's on in the back. So you can hear how well they sound or not. I've got a couple of these earbuds that I've been trying out, so I'm going to give you the review on each one, and then at the end, probably in a couple weeks, I'll go ahead and put them all together and let you see the comparisons and what I found with them. So take care, have a great day, and I will see you next week.